Yes. Yeah. It's gonna snow here on Thursday.
Yes, but we're on a cruise, Jane.
We're on a cruise.
We're on a cruise.
We are in the Bahamas.
We're having a drink with an umbrella in it.
We're in Australia. It is summertime somewhere.
Summertime. And I'm living it.
Well, you got to finish it.
Easy.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you. This is your first look at a beach faux wrap tank style swim romper. So it's a one piece, but it's a short bottom, so it is a romper. Only order has arrived. This is it, and it's $66.98 with 3 payments of $22.33.
This is so
adorable.
Cute.
Navy. We have tranquil blue, which is a beautiful print. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. This is only $67.
This is my favorite.
The Greek floral? Green floral. It says Greek.
Okay, so we're in Mykonos.
It does say
And the black
green.
is very sexy.
And then black, which is really sharp.
Wow.
It's green.
So,
All right.
since this is our first swimsuit
Yay.
of the season, I want to remind you of a few things. Number one, we use
Sizing.
4-way stretch fabric, okay? We use chlorine-resistant fabric. You can get in and out of the pool as much as you want, and the color will not fade. The chlorine will not hurt the fabric. We have all the right details of a swimsuit that's hundreds and hundreds of dollars because we make our suits in the same factories. Molded bra cups for fit and support, adjustable straps in the back. I love the crisscross because that gives you additional support. They are, I forgot the term, 50
UPF 50.
UPF 50. Thank you, Jane. So, as far as sun protection, where the suit is, you get that. And the other thing that I want to point out that this is a romper. As you saw, it's a little short on the attached to this top. But Jane, there is a brief. I'm going to see if I can do this.
Bloomer.
Well, it's hard to do, but there is a little brief.
Pull it this way.
There we go. Thank you. There's a brief attached inside for your comfort.
Right.
So
can we show the sizing information?
Let's do it.
Let's do the size chart as well.
So I always recommend, in regards to Denim & Company swimsuits, to buy your true Denim & Company size if you know what that is. Here is a chart that's attached to all these styles. Be sure you plug your numbers into our chart, bust, weights, hip, torso. There's a how to measure guide on QVC.com. Make sure it works for you. Now, the little caveat to that is some people tell me they do like to size up. If you like a little extra room in your bathing suit, feel free to do that also.
Crystal, what size are you wearing in the swimsuit? She can hear me.
She's in the other room.
She's in Sesame Street right now. Crystal, do you know what size you're wearing?
I sized up to 14.
Size 14. Okay, so she went
sized
up
up one.
to the size 14 from a size 12. I typically go up one size
Do you?
myself.
Okay.
Because I want it to fit my hips. Fit the fullest part of your body.
Exactly.
If it's your bust, follow the bust numbers. If it's your hips, follow your hip numbers. And then look how nice the fit is on this. Crystal, again, is 5'3". She is wearing it in the 14. You get a nice inseam on this. It's about 3 1/4 inches in length, which doesn't seem long enough to me, but when you see it on, it looks fine. It looks appropriate. She's getting the kind of coverage. And then this is a surplice style or a wrap style, but it is sewn down across the bust line, so it is not going to open. Plus, your straps are adjustable. So when we show you this swimsuit, this is not a snap. This is sewn down, so it is not going to gap open when you're wearing it. And like I said, your straps are adjustable. You can also remove the straps and go straight up and down if you want to. So it's up to you. I, again, like the crossover because it gives you a little bit more support. And then if you really want to get a little bit more modesty, then you can shorten it and make it fit you the way you want in the front.
Yeah.
It's just great. It's a one
Well,
piece.
It's a one piece, but it has a little, romper short attached to it. So you get a little more modesty.
Right.
If you're playing with the kids, grandkids, or,
going to the water park, walking up the
parks.
stairs to the slide.
Yeah,
There's somebody standing behind
it's just
you.
very modest.
It gives you all the coverage.
All
Yeah.
the coverage you want.
And we give you two solids, so black and navy, and then you get these beautiful prints. And both of those have been popular in our show. That's the tranquil blue that Gary is holding.
Gorgeous.
I think
Yeah.
that's my favorite of the prints. And then here is the green floral, which
Yeah.
is so pretty, that tropical green.
Yeah, stunning, right? And the same as before, all prints are exclusive.
Right.
We create these in-house. You won't find it anywhere else. So very exciting to be able to bring
That's a good
beach.
one to start
Yeah,
the
isn't it
season
fun?
with.
I
This
love
is
it.
your first look. And we have more, of course, Denim Company Swim on our website. You can check that out. That is a 634813.